Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a new NEFFEX song. NEFFEX is always welcome back here on Gordon Guitar. This time, the latest release there, Take Me Back. So yeah, NEFFEX Take Me Back, cool song. Goes in the same way through the entire song, only 3 chords, so love that. Let's start right away. No need for any capo. And we have the chords C first, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is a D. Variation here looks like C, but it's a couple frets up here. So it's played with 5th on A string, 4th on D, open G, 3rd on B, and open E. Alright, so when we are strumming, we want to emphasize certain notes. So for the first C, you want to emphasize that note. It's a melody going on there. So it's the 2nd fret on D string. You're holding that probably with your middle finger. So when you're strumming, try to stick around the D string there and highlight that note from the chord C. Next note you want to highlight is from the E minor, of course. And you want to highlight the open B string. So try to incorporate the open B when you're strumming for the E minor. And for the last D here, up here, the notes you want to emphasize are the 4th fret on D string. So this one. And then you have a melody that goes on the 5th D string. So you need to add your little pinky right below your little ring finger there, so on the 5th fret D string, and you release it to go back to the 4th fret D string. So the melody as it is in whole go like this from C, and then E minor, the open B string, and the D last, 4th fret D string, and then 5th fret D string, and back to 4th fret D string. So like this. C, E minor, and D. And the notes, and so on. That is how it goes. Now, for the strumming, we have one strumming pattern that will work through the entire song. And that is, if we look at the C chord there, since that is the first chord, it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So it's down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Again. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And so on. So you're gonna play one strumming round for C, one for E minor, and 2 for D. So with that said, you want to even incorporate the notes there. It will be like this. Okay, so when you come to D here, you can play in 2 different ways. The most accurate way to get the melody, if you think about the melody, will be to play down, down, up on D, and then play add the 5th fret on D string, play down, down, up there as well, and go back to play down, down, up on the 4th fret D string. So the total thing here with D will be 1 full strumming round, and then 2 rounds of down, down, up, down, down, up. So you're gonna play 1 full strumming round when you have the standard grip as it is, with the 4th fret on D string emphasized. So 1 full there, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And then when you add a little pinky on the 5th fret D string, you play down, down, up, and you take it away to back to the standard grip and play down, down, up. So total with this D chord, it will be like this: down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, down, up, and down, down, up. So slowly, one chord progression from the beginning will be like this: C, E minor, down, up, clap, up, down, up, D, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then you go for next round. That's one way of doing it. The second variation, or whatever you want to call it, is to play C and E minor in the same way, of course. 1 full for C, 1 full for E minor. But when you come to D, here you can try to focus more on the beat and the rhythm, but then the melody will not come exactly in the same way as it should be, as if you compare it to original song. I think both ways are great. It's just a matter of what you want to emphasize, the melody or the beat. I could prefer to really go with the beat and not having the melody exactly. So that will sound like this. So we had a beat there in the D as well. And if you choose to play this way, you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. 1 full strum round, and then you add a little pinky here. Play down, down, up, and clap, still with the pinky, and take it away and play down, down, up. Okay, so it will be E minor, D, down, down, up, clap, and really easy to play up, down, up on the standard grip, and then go on. So that's 2 different ways of playing the D here. You can choose either way, it will sound great, and that is what is going on through the entire song. Chords the same, and the strumming will be pretty much the same either way. It will be great. So that is NEFFEX Take Me Back. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope to see you soon, especially if you love NEFFEX. You need to come back here. We will have many NEFFEX songs in the future. So stay tuned and play tuned.